Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete story on TikTok. So let's get started. So if you want to delete a story on TikTok, then what you have to do is follow some easy steps. So first of all, what we'll do is we'll try to add a story, then delete it. So open up your TikTok. After opening up your TikTok, just tap on your profile icon, which is on the bottom right. And after tapping on your profile icon, in the top you will find the plus icon, which is highlighted in blue color. So just tap on that plus icon, and after tapping on that, now it will take you to your gallery. From here you have to select a story that you want to upload. For example, I want to upload this story, so what you have to do is just tap on your story, which is on the bottom. After tapping on your story will be uploaded. So you just have to wait for a while to let your story upload, and after uploading your story, now you will delete it. So now to delete the story, what you have to do is again tap on that profile icon, and after tapping on your profile icon you will find the story that you have added. So now to delete this, what you have to do is just tap on the share icon, which is on the bottom left. After tapping on that share icon, now you have to tap on the delete icon, which is on the bottom, and after tapping on delete, just tap on delete this story, and after tapping on delete you will successfully delete your story. So just tap on the share icon and then tap on delete, and then again tap on delete. That will delete your story on TikTok. So that's it guys, this is how to delete story on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.